Hello student, welcome back to HM College Karad. Today we are going to learn subject physics, 8 number topic electrostatics. Now let me see relation between electric field and electric potential. Last lecture we have already seen that definition of electric potential and electric potential energy. Today we are going to learn relation between electric field and electric potential. Now see here is plus Q charge. When the charge Q placed at point O. Today we are going to learn electric potential, relation between electric field and electric potential. Consider this point charge Q produced the electric field. This point charge Q placed at point O, which produce the electric field E. Which produce the electric field E. That point charge produce the electric field E. That we have to calculate the work done. This charge moving from here to here. When charge is moving from one place to another place, there is displacement. When the charge is moving, this charge, this unit positive charge, because of this charge produce the unit positive charge. This unit positive charge moving from one place to another place, there is displacement is produced. That displacement, force into displacement is one type of the work done. It is work done is produced when the charge moving from one place to the another place, there is displacement. There is small displacement. When this small displacement take place from point M to N, when this point M to N, there is small displacement. Ds is the small displacement. The small displacement produced by the unit positive charge Q. This small displacement is produced the unit positive charge Q. Now see the direction of electric field. This direction of electric, because of this charge to produce the electric field. The direction of the electric field is along the OM. The direction of electric field is along OM here. Here see this one O. Charge placed at O point. And this direction of electric field is where? OM. This direction of electric field. Along the OM, this force acting on the charge, force acting on the unit positive charge. Here is force is acting on him. Here force is acting on the unit positive charge. There, this force acting on unit positive charge along the direction OM. Along the direction OM, their work is done. There, work is done. Therefore, work done is equal to the dW is equal to minus F dx. dW is equal to minus F dx. F means because of this charge here is electric field is produced. Here also electric force also is produced. So work is done. When charge is moving from one place to another place, there is displacement. So work is done. Therefore, dW is equal to force into displacement. dW is equal to force into displacement. Here charge is moving is oppositely direction of here force. So this negative sign indicates this displacement of the charge is opposite direction of the force. So work done dW is equal to minus F dx. Also here is electric field also produced. So instead of F we can write E dx. Instead of F we can write E dx also. Now the work done on unit positive charge, that is dW. That unit positive charge dW is, that is the electric potential. dW means electric potential. dW is the one type of the electric potential. Last lecture we already have seen what is meant by electric potential. That dW is one type of the electric potential. That is dV. Electric potential is denoted by dV, V, but it change in electric potential. So dV is equal to minus E dx. Therefore, E is equal to minus dV upon dx. That is the relationship between electric field and electric potential. These equations show the relationship between electric field and electric potential. E is the electric field and V is the electric potential. These equations show the relationship between electric field and electric potential. Thus, electric field at point E, is negative of the potential gradient. How to define this electric field relation between electric field and electric potential? The electric field at the negative potential gradient. This one is also known as potential gradient. dV/dx is potential gradient also. Potential gradient also. That is the relation between electric field and potential gradient. Now, this one is that electric field relation between electric field and electric potential. Now, what is meant by zero potential? What is meant by zero potential? Zero potential means when point potential at point A, here potential, there will be the charge here. Potential at the point A in electric field is amount of work done to bring. Here is amount of the work done to bring that unit positive charge from infinity. Here is amount of work done. Here is work done bring from the charges of here m to here. There is displacement is, but due to the zero potential, amount of work done bring that unit positive charge from infinity. The unit positive charge bring the unit positive charge from infinity. The unit positive charge from infinity means this charge, their displacement produced charge is here that infinite distance that bringing the unit positive charge from present location. So this potential is known as zero potential. This potential is known as zero potential. Bringing from the infinity, the unit positive charge bringing from the infinity is known as zero potential. Now, let us see. Today we will discuss the relation between that total. We have discussed the relation between electric field and electric potential. Now we will discuss that expression for electric potential due to point charge. Electric potential due to point charge. Now we will see the expression for electric potential due to the point charge. Now here this one is point charge plus Q placed at O, same diagram. A point here, M is the intermediate point, here N, here displacement dx, here E, the direction of electric field, here the distance from O to M is x, distance from O to A is r. Now here we shall derive the expression for electric potential due to the point charge. Now the point charge plus Q placed at point O, this point charge, there is one type of the point charge placed at the point O that and distance r from it. Here is OA, the distance r from A with the point here, there potential at point A. We have to find the potential at point A. The distance r from the point O. This distance r from the point O. Here is positive charge placed at point A. Due to the electric potential at A, the distance r from the point O. This electric potential. We have to find the electric potential at point A. Now, electric potential at point A is, how to obtain the electric potential at point A? The amount of work done. The amount of work done, the displaced point from infinity to A. If there are point charge, there is point is infinity distance. When amount of point charge, amount of work done is done, the bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to A. The bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to A. Bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to A here. Therefore, has work done. There is work is done. But this work done is independent of actual path. This actual from that point will be from here straight line. There will be like this. There will be from infinity. There is no problem. When there is work is done, there is amount of work done is independent of actual path taken. Therefore, here M is the intermediate point. There is one point is here taken. That M is intermediate point along the path OM. Along the path OM, this path we have to take the one more point, that is M. That one more point is M. That what is the distance from that OM is equal to x distance. OM is equal to x distance is here. OM is equal to that how much distance is here? X distance. Here is intermediate point. Here is. Now here is electric field also produced and here electric force also is produced. Now we have already have seen the electric force is produced also here. Electric force is the electric force due to the unit positive charge at a point M. That electric force F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon x square. Instead of r square we can write x square because OM is equal to x. F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon x square. Equation 1. Now this is directed away from O along the OM. This directed away from the O along the OM. Here is infinitesimal displacement. Infinitesimal displacement, there is small displacement taken by the point M to N. The small displacement taken by the point M to N, that displacement is dx. There is work is done. There also one types of the work is done. Therefore dw is equal to minus f dx. Here also negative sign. This negative sign indicates the displacement is oppositely directed towards the force. Here this force direction is here and displacement is here. So both are oppositely directed. So we have to write here negative sign. So here we have to write negative sign because of here work is done. This point moving from here to here, there is small displacement, an infinitesimal displacement taken by the point charge. So here is work is done. So dw is equal to minus f dx here. That now the work done displacing the unit positive charge from infinity to, we have to calculate work done from infinity to A. There is total work done. The total work done W is equal to integration of that work done is taken from where to where? Infinity to A. So here is infinity to A, that dw. Infinity to A, there is dw. That infinity to A means instead of A we write the distance from O to A is R. So R. Instead of A we can write here R also. That infinity to R minus f dx from this equation second minus f dx. Therefore 0 infinity to R, f is substitute the value of f in here, we get the minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon x square into dx. Minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon x square into dx. Here minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 infinity to R upon 1 upon x square dx. Now the integration of 1 upon x square dx, here integration we can see detailing integration chapter in mathematics. In physics also we have already learned. Now integration of this one is, here is minus 1 upon x. Integration of this one is minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon in bracket minus 1 upon x infinity to R, that we get, we substitute the value infinity in here R, therefore we get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon in minus 1 upon infinity minus 1 upon R, therefore infinity cancel, therefore we can write W is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon W is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Here is Q. We can write here Q also. Sorry. The Q 1 upon 4 pi epsilon into 1 upon R. Minus minus plus. We get this equation. We get equation here 3. This is the last equation, that is work done W is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 1 upon R. By definition of electric potential at point A, due to the point charge, W is equal to V also. V means electric potential is equal to W upon Q here. So instead of W we can write V. V means electric potential. Q upon 4 pi epsilon R. This is the electric potential due to the point charge. When positively charged particle produce positive potential. If there is positive and negative two charges, positively charged produce positive potential, negatively charged particle produce negative potential. At R is equal to infinity. When R is infinity, there is distance R. This point is infinite point. When R is equal to infinity, therefore, the potential V is equal to 0. Q upon infinity is 0. R is equal to infinity, potential V is equal to 0. Once again see, let I will revise here. Now see here, when Q is the point placed at the O here, and we have to find the electric potential at point A. R is the distance from the O here. Here is M is the intermediate point. That small displacement taken by the particle M to N. Here is dx. Therefore 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square. The dW is equal to minus F dx. We get is work done is produced due to the minus F dx. Dx means the small displacement taken by the particle M to N here. That total work done is equal to that we can calculate the value of electric potential. This is the expression for electric potential due to the point charge. This equation shows that electric potential due to the point charge. By this equation we can draw one graph also here. By that, what is the relation between, by using this graph also we can that show the electric potential here, electric field and electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. Here we mean electric potential energy here. Here E, electric potential and electric field here. That we get like this graph. This graph also show the electric field and electric potential here. Electric field is inversely proportional to 1 upon R square. V is directly proportional to 1 upon R. That these two equations shows that E is inversely proportional to 1 upon R square and V is here inversely proportional to 1 upon R. That is these equations show the electric potential due to the point charge. Thank you very much.